If you're an established service based business owner and your business feels more complicated than it should, you're in the right place. Maybe you're spending too much time answering the same questions, managing leads manually, creating content from scratch, or trying to keep several disconnected tools organized. I'm LaShondra, founder of Digital Support Studio. I help women business owners simplify the way they work using practical AI tools, organized workflows, and repeatable business systems. On this channel, I share how to use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Notebook LM, Canva, Lovable, and automation platforms to solve real business problems. You'll learn how to improve your client intake, organize your leads, reduce repetitive work, simplify your content process, document your workflows, and create a more professional customer experience. Most of the videos on this channel are presented by me personally. For this trailer, I'm using my HeyGen digital twin as one example of how I use AI strategically in my own business. The strategy, experience, and message are mine. AI is simply helping me deliver it. This channel is not about chasing every new AI tool. It's about choosing the right tools and creating better processes so your business is easier to manage. If you're ready to stop piecing together everything and start building a more organized, efficient business, subscribe and explore the videos on this channel. Let's simplify the way your business works.